Here in this video I'm going to show you how to create a project in MX Business and also the different ways to create a project as well. So when you first run the MX Business setup file and install it, when you first open it, it will ask you to go through the install wizard. If you click next, so there's three different ways. One, create data manually. So if I was to tick there and click next, what it will do, it will simply give me a blank MX Business to begin with. So no products, no nothing, just completely blank, and it'll be down to yourself to start building the information on it. So it's as simple as that. It's just a blank MX Business. Then you've got create data from scale. This is what you'll be using almost all the time. So when you click create data from scale, what happens is when you click next, it will automatically scan for scales, as you can see. I haven't got any physical scales with me, but let's say I did, it will flag up here with the IP address. So click on the IP address of the scale you want to import from, which will usually be the server scale, or if you've got standalones, whichever standalone necessary. Sometimes it can't find it. If you can't find it, click the scan. If you still can't find it, type in the IP address and click detect. That should find it, and when it does, click next. And when you click next again, it will import all the data from the scale into MX Business as a project, and you'll be able to have a look at the data and change it. So if we just go back, the last one, import a project, is quite simply opening a saved project. So for example, you've imported the data into MX Business at a shop for a customer, and the customer wants that exact scale data and how it looks put on a scale at his other shop. So you just take a backup, and then when you get to this stage, you'll click import the project at the other shop, and you can then send that all to the scale. So import a project is quite simply just like opening a backup. And for all these, when you choose them, you'll get to the next bit when you click next. So if I was to click next now, it'll ask me where is the saved backup to use. If I click create data manually and click next, it will just give me a blank MX Business. So those are the three different ways on how to create a project.